Thank you, Anna. Well, there's only one weather story around today, and that is the warmth and the humidity. Temperatures are well above the seasonal average across the board, but some of the highest of the temperatures today could be across eastern areas of Scotland. And already by the time we get to tomorrow, Scotland and Northern Ireland will be feeling fresher, and then that cooler air will sink further southwards and eastwards by the time we get to Friday.
Hello, good afternoon. Well, it was a bright, sunny start for many of us this morning, but we have seen more in the way of cloud building, as captured here by one of our weather watchers in Eastcote.
Hello again. Thank you, Anna. Well, it's certainly feeling very warm and really rather humid today right across the UK. I'm sure you already know about this, but the pollen levels today are very high across the board. Of course, we're well into the grass pollen season now.
And air conditioning is what people might need this week as the temperatures climb. If we get up to 28 degrees for 3 days in a row, which we're looking likely to do, then we get a heat wave. So watch out for that high UV and also potentially some high pollution as well. Let's take a little look at the forecast, and it's a good one if you like heat. Hello again, I hope you had a super day. I do like this photo. What do you do when it's hot? Go in the shade and have a little scratch. And I love the fact that all the babies are copying the parent there. Slightly worrying lesson to all us parents. Anyway, on with the weather, and for the next few days we've got more of the same, warm if not hot, plenty of dry and sunny weather for you to enjoy, and if you're wondering when it's getting a little bit cooler, then Friday is the day when those temperatures will just start to come down. So into the outlook, more of the same. The temperatures may be getting into the 30-degree mark on Wednesday, still warm on Thursday, and then just dropping down that bit on Friday. That is your weather. Here's the pollen. If you're allergic to grass pollen, look away now. I'm sorry, it's not very pleasant. Very high for the next few days with this very warm, settled weather. It's not doing much for those who are allergic to it. There's also nettle pollen in the mix as well. That's it from us all here in Camden on a raving Monday night. Who'd have thought? Have a great evening. Cheerio.
Hot day, Darren.
Yes, a bit of a cracker today, really, across many parts of the country, Jane. We saw the heat moving its way northwards all the way into Scotland today. And this was a Weather Watcher picture taken in Boyne, Aberdeenshire, where temperatures reached 27 degrees. It's been the hottest day of the year so far in Scotland, also the hottest day of the year so far in Northern Ireland and also in England, with temperatures 28 degrees. The only nation to miss out was Wales. Things are going to change a bit in the next few days. It will be cooler tomorrow in Scotland and Northern Ireland. We'll see some showers beginning to move down from the northwest, but it will be hot and humid for longer across England and also into Wales.
Hello there, good evening. Well, we're hanging on to this rather warm and humid air tonight. Quite uncomfortable for some for sleeping. It's dry and it's clear, but the minimum temperature, central London not dropping much below 14 or 15 Celsius.
Hello, good evening. Across many parts of the British Isles today, temperatures have been above average for the time of year, and they are going to be staying hot, particularly out towards the southeast as we head through the next few days. In fact, let's get a quick check on our jet stream and air mass chart. You can see what's going to happen. That jet stream stays to the north, and that's going to allow that warm, hot air to come up from the near continent. So temperatures will continue to rise as we head through the next few days. How hot is it going to get? Well, we are expecting a daytime high of 29 degrees Celsius tomorrow afternoon, but that could rise to 30 on Wednesday, which would meet the heat wave threshold for the southeast. So keep a watchful eye on that, and also protect yourself if you're going to be out and about. Those UV levels are going to be on the high side.